My name is Ahmed, this is Miran, Salah, Sally and Aya. We designed a robot that can solve Rubik's Cubes. Rubik's Cubes has recently begun making a comeback. Invented in 1974, it's the world's best-selling toy, but it takes a lot of time, effort and time into it. So why not let a robot solve it?
Simply place your unsolved Rubik's Cube in the solver, run the program, now it will begin scanning the Rubik's Cube.
The Rubik's Cube solver robot is made up of 3 motors, one for the arm that's responsible for the flipping, the other one for the tray on which the cube is at, and the third one for the color sensor that's responsible for the color sensor scanning phase.
Now there are 2 sensors in general. You got your color sensor and your proximity sensor. The color sensor's main functionality is to scan the colors of the Rubik's Cube. And you got your proximity sensor, which identifies the distance.